Welcome to my channel in Excel Lab. Today we are going to learn about the data validation on Excel. So let's start with the video. So I have one sheet over here which is open in front of you. So it is starting with employee code and ending with salary. Same, I have copied the first just heading on this side to show you the data validation, how it is working. So select any cell, like I am selecting this one, and I want this employee code not more than 4 digit. So how can I do that? Just come here, select the cell. So you can go to this data tab and then come here, data tools, you can see this one. So come here, click this arrow, data validation. Okay, so I'm selecting this one. So now suppose I want to give it for all the rows, so I'm selecting till the end. So like that I'm selecting, and then go to this data validation tab, then go to data validation. Now it will give you one pop-up. Here I need to put some values. It is showing like allow any value. No, I don't want to give any value. I want to give text length, and after that it is showing I want say equal to up to 4 digit. Okay, so length should be 4 digit, and click OK. Now if I type anything over here, like any employee code from the previous table, from here also if I can write, so 1011, hit enter, it will take. So keep 1, it will give you error like this. You can see. Again I'm giving 1 2, should be 1 2 3. It is only accepting the 4 digit. If I give 4 digit, it will take. So like that it will work. So again if I give here say 1 1 0, again error. So this message will come like this. So that's how it is working. Now suppose I want to do it for mobile number as well, I can do that. So first let me write mobile here. Okay, now let's take up to this cell, and again go to this data tab and go to this data validation tool, and then data validation. Here again in message should be text length, not between, should be equal to now length 10. So mobile number generally 10 length is there, so I'm giving length 10. Now if I put OK, it will be giving a message. Okay, so what I am doing here, I am going to give some input message so that customer will know that what should be the minimum length, because in case of any sort of password you are making, say Gmail or anywhere, it is giving some message to you, like special character should be there in the password. Otherwise 8 characters should be there, only that you can make the password, otherwise it will be never be possible to make the password, right? So I'm doing the same here. So I'm giving the title like mobile number length, and please quotation complete, click OK. Now what will happen, if you click any of the cell, you will get this message. You can see please provide 10 digit number. So like that any cell you can go, and again now you put the number, say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. It will give you error, yes, because it is less than 10 digit. So if I put 9, then 0, then 1, 11 digit, what will happen? Again error, 11 digit, so error. So you have to make exactly 10 digits. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and then 0. It will take now. So that's how it is working. Now let's move forward to see some other more options. Now let's learn some advanced options over here. So I'm here, copied few departments. You can see, you can write also on your own, and here the department you can see. So what I am doing here, my boss told me I want to see only these 4 departments over here, no other department can be shown here. So what I'll do, I'll select some cells up to this, say up to this, and go to again data tab, and then data tools, data validation, and then this any value should be changed as list, and this source. Now source I can either typing like this and put a comma, then again finance type like this. I'll do here just to select the source and copy it from here like this to give the range, and then click OK. So it is now, I can see one arrow is coming here, right? So you can give HR, it will be taken, put IT, it will give error because it's not there in the list. So again I'm going here, say finance, then say marketing, and then say sales. So like that. Now let's go for some advanced option. So for that I am selecting, like I have now 4 departments here, you can see. Now suppose in future some more departments have come up, so what to do in that case? So it's only 4 it's showing. So I'll do here, like I select the cell and then go to again data validation tab, go here, and this is already selected. Now this I'm removing. After removing it, I'm selecting from here till here, okay, and click OK, and putting IT in here, hit enter. Now if I go here and select here, you can see IT also there. So like that you can change it as per your requirement. That is how it is working. Okay, now I can do the same thing for region part, branch part, anyway. So I'm going here, and if I go here and select this, you can have many numbers over here, like whole number, decimal, list, date, time, text length we have already seen. So timing, like 9 to 6 timing, date, any date you want to give here, any date from here you can do. So decimal and whole number. So I'm coming to this and my salary part. So let's do that. So now I'll do, like go to this data tab and data validation once again, and here I'll be giving like decimal values. Now my boss told me to give decimal value. At the same time he told me that this salary range should be between 15,000 to say 50,000, not more than that. So I'm going for this between. You can select like not between, equal to, these are operators are available. So I'm taking this one. So minimum should be say 15,000, and maximum it can go up to say 50,000. Okay, so click OK. Now try. So I'm giving 10,000. It should be exactly 15,000 and more. So I'm giving 15,000. It will take. I'll give some decimal value also. So 15,000. Let's try with 13,000. 30,000.50. It will give error. It will give error because it's less than 15,000. So I'm giving here 15,050. It will take. So like that it is working. Now most important part is how to remove this. Now suppose we have data validation applied over here as well as here, how to remove it. So if I come here and select the cells, then click on delete button, you cannot remove it. If you go here again, it will be there. So there is a particular procedure to remove it. So how to do that? Just select the cells wherever it is applied, go there, select it, go to the data validation tool. You can see this icon, check and this cross. So just click over it. It will give you like this option. Say yes, and once this is done, you have to click clear all and then OK. So now you can go here, you can see everything is cleared. Same you can do it from here and select this one, OK, clear all. So everything is cleared, and same for this, go here, clear all, OK. So now everything is cleared. So that's how it is working. So after this, what we have done, we had to put new records. Okay, so for that we have arranged the table like that. Now suppose we already had a table like this one. So in that case I want to change something with data validation. How to do that? How can I judge the mistaken value those who have put? So for that I'm taking this part. Suppose this column I'm taking up to this and going to this data validation part. From data tab to data validation, go here, come to data validation. Now give the salary range by decimal number suppose, and I'm giving like between 55,000, okay, 1 lakh. So this range I want to see, not more than that I can see. So click OK. So nothing you can see over here now. So again go here, you can see circle invalid data. So click here, so it will show you the invalid data. So that's how it is working. Again, if I go here, don't look for this salary. By mistake I have selected this one. I have to select only from the ranges from here to here, not the salary. I have to select from the ranges. So that's how we can do it. Again, to clear it, go here. Again, you can see this icon, data validation. Click here, clear all, and OK. So it is cleared. So I'll be putting this sheet in the description part. You can download it and practice on your own. So that's all folks for today. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, comment it, and don't forget to press the bell button so that whenever I post the new video over here, you'll get the notification of it immediately. Thank you so much for being with me till the end of the video with your patience. Thank you so much for your love and support. We'll meet with you soon with another video with another interesting topic of Excel. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol.